How to fix if mobile data is not working on Samsung or other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix if the mobile data network is not working on your Samsung phone or any other Android device. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let us get started with the basics. If your mobile data is not working, what I would recommend you to do is to simply first of all turn off the mobile data, turn on the airplane mode or the flight mode, and then turn off airplane mode again, and now you can turn on your mobile data, and most likely go ahead and check if that fixes the issue. If not, the other thing you have to do is to simply open up the SIM tray and then reinsert the SIM card. So go ahead and then reinsert your SIM card as well, because sometimes your SIM could not be inserted properly. Make sure to verify the steps. The other thing could be because let's say you have two SIM cards inserted and you have two networks on your phone, and you took a mobile data or a data from a SIM 2, let's say, but then you're using the mobile data from SIM 1, and that could be one of the reasons why. So if you took the pack from SIM 1, then go ahead and select the primary SIM on the mobile data. If you chose SIM 2 to actually enter and take your data, you want to make sure that mobile data is actually working from SIM 2. So you basically have these options to customize right from your drop down menu as well in my case. The other thing what we have to do is, if none of the solutions work, then we'll do some of the advanced settings features. So open up settings and go to connections. Once you go to connections, go to mobile networks, and over here you can see network mode. So what I would recommend you do is to simply switch to LTE, which means 4G, 3G and 2G. So LTE basically means 4G network as well. Go ahead and switch to LTG or automatic if there are any type of option. And after that, go to access point names, which is APNs, and you can select the SIM card at the bottom for which one you want to actually change. And what you have to do is tap on the three dot at the top right, and then you have to select reset to default. For example, if you've added a custom access point or APN names, I would like you to reset them to default. So go ahead and reset them to default and use the phone operators. After that, tap on network providers, and then you want to make sure that select automatically is actually selected. So go ahead and then turn on the toggle right next to select automatically, and what this does is that it is going to select your network operators automatically. If this didn't help as well, then other thing could be because you have set a data limit. So go to data usage over here. As you go to data usage, right over here you can see mobile data usage. So tap on mobile data usage, and over here again you'll be able to see whichever apps consume how many data, and tap on the gear icon, which is the settings, and make sure that the set data limit is actually turned off. So you want to make sure that you have turned off set data limit. What this does is that if your data limit is set to, let's say, 5 gigabytes, and if you consume more than 5 gigabytes, your phone will not let you to use more data than that. So that could be one of the reasons why. So you want to make sure that data limit is turned off, and you can actually turn on data warning if you do want to actually warn yourself of the data you use. But basically, one of these solutions would likely fix the issue. If not, the other thing could also be because let's say that you took a certain subscription on a certain pack. For example, in my case, I have taken a 500 megabytes of plan. So let me just go ahead and then show you that as well. If I have one of the subscriptions active and then I just took some other packages, I will not be able to use the other package until my primary package has been finished. For example, this is actually a 1-month plan, and until and unless I do not complete this 1 month, and if I take the other offers over here, I will not be able to use them, because definitely this is the pack that needs to be finished first. So that could also be one of the reasons. So I do not really get confused. If none of these solutions work, what I would recommend you do is to simply call your network provider or your SIM card provider and then ask help with the ongoing instructions on how you can fix this. But hopefully one of these steps which I mentioned in this video would have definitely solved the problem. If it did solve the problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.